Dear friends, welcome to Nature First Eco Village, Halligeri Cross, Haliyal Road, Dharwad. I just want to brief about bamboo plantation and the importance of bamboo in increasing the oxygen levels and maintaining ecosystem and biodiversity in 1 or 2 minutes with you. This is one among the 16 models that we showcase to visitors when they come to Eco Village, and explain about the importance of bamboos for various benefits that it gives to humanity. We have around 90 varieties available in India. About 15 are very famous, which are available in almost all the nurseries in India. You know that oxygen levels in the atmosphere are reducing because of air pollution. You know the air pollution is one among the reasons which takes away about 10 lakh people lives every year in India alone. So why not we think of bamboo, which gives more oxygen? More means it gives 35% more oxygen when you compare it to trees. It also gives oxygen within a span of 8 to 10 months after planting, whereas trees will provide oxygen maybe if at all well nurtured in the same span of time. So let us not forget that this bamboo is very important in maintaining oxygen levels in the atmosphere, reducing our carbon footprints, and fight against global warming too. Not only increasing oxygen, these plants also help in many ways to people and animals and other creatures. They provide a food, they provide a employment, they also give a shelter to many of the people, birds and animals. So why not we think of these? And it also helps maintaining water levels around the lakes and water bodies. It also provides a lot of benefit in terms of holding water and releasing slowly to the ground. So bamboo is one plant. If at all you have one plant at home in a pot, or if you plant in your premises, it is more than sufficient to give oxygen to one family, as per some of the research reports. So why can't we consider? Why can't we plant one at home if at all you have space, or if you are living in an apartment, you can have one bigger pot. You can plant one bamboo tree. Automatically, that will increase by developing structures. And we can also think of having them in all the institutes, industries, wherever possible we have space, because it is the one of the best trees. Say this is a grass variety, of course. This will help in fighting global warming, and it helps increasing oxygen levels. It helps nurturing biodiversity, whatnot. So that's the reason we have this bamboo group in Eco Village as you enter. Next time when you visit, you will definitely enjoy more oxygen here, and the shade and the serenity of the place. Thank you very much.